Hello, it's Markham Tortured here for Markham 3D, and today we're going to be talking about shape keys and BBH files. So importing motion capture data into Blender and using it. So I'm just going to start off by creating shape keys for this cube. So if I come over here into, I don't even know what this panel is called anymore because they've all changed. Object data panel, I guess. Let's create a new shape key. So I'm going to press plus to create the default. I'm going to create another one. So this is key 1. From here, I'm going to go tab into edit mode. Right click, right click, right click, right click. So I'm just going to select these frames. G, Y. Okay. And so now this is my shape key. So for this instance, my shape key, if I go value, blah, and now I can control that. Now, if I want to create another shape key, and let's go into edit mode, GZ, and we've got this, goes up and down, shape key, come across. So that's some pretty cool stuff. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to import Breckle's Face Pro 2 capture data. Let's bring that in. So I'm just going to go File, Import, BBH. So I've imported it now. Let's just find it. Where is it? There it is. And so this is our BBH file. Now with blend shape or shape keys, they go from 0 to 1. And so if I just scrub along, you can see how they're popping up and down. So with the Breckle Pro Face Rig 2 Pro, I can't remember what I've called it off the top of my head. We've got kind of like an FBX file here. So you can see, if we go to tab, you can kind of see the face. So you've got mouth, the bits next to your nose, your cheek, eyes, blinking. But if we have a look over here on the left, I'm just going to use the left one. This one's called jaw open, and this one's jaw underscore R, and this one's jaw underscore L, left. So I'm just going to use the jaw open first up. I'm going to select my cube. Let's bring up a window here. I'm going to go to drivers. And from here, I'm going to go key 1, right click on the value, add driver. Now what I'm going to do here is select the object, or I'll just click recording. The bone, we said jaw underscore open. Type, now we're trying to calculate what movement we're after. Now this BBH file rotates along the x-axis. So we're going to rotate on X, and let's just do local space because we're just after the local space of this here. So as you can see, it's already done something. Now if we come back all the way back here and I press play, you can see that it's popping in and out as this is moving up and down. So that's pretty cool. So let's just do it again. We'll go to key 2, right click, add driver. We want to select the object, which is recording, which is this object here. Whoops. So I've lost it. I can just right click and edit driver again. Bone, we said jaw underscore, it doesn't matter, left. X rotation, local space. And now we should see it going left and right, up and down. Please. There's not a lot of movement. Oh, looks like I've done something wrong because it's not picking it up. So let's go right click, edit driver. Recording. X rotation. Click update dependencies. And let's try again. There we go. And now you can see it going in and out and ever so slightly up and down. So that's how shape keys work in BBH files. If you learned anything from this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe. It really helps me out.